we're back. I think at this point I'm just kind of practicing stuff. There's a lot of stuff I need to get more on point. I know, sorry, thank you for sticking with me, watching the videos as I progress with this. I know sometimes it's very hard, but today I'm back at Knott's. I haven't been here when it starts raining, so I don't know what that's going to be like. I may head over to Disney later, because I heard it's really dead over there when it starts to rain. But for today, I have some stickers. Maybe a pin, who knows? Being very festive, being very generous. Have stickers, come up, say hi, anyone? Oh wait, this will be posted for a long time, and there's only 3 of you going to watch. I totally forgot. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing, just walking around. Had an amazing time yesterday on my other video you might have just seen, giving gifts and stuff like that. I met some really cool people, and it just never gets old. Everybody in that's a Wolvian, everybody in the random, sometimes mob from Random Land, from Justin Scar, are just amazing people. Super cool. Everybody's all about the quest for positivity. So anyways, all right, enough rambling on. I'm gonna go try to get on Ghost Rider when the rain happens. I'm going to film it all.
Ghost Rider during the day, right before it rains. The log ride has been closed and drained. Temporarily, I'm sure. Pony Express. Yeah!
What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bell jingle, fa la 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 la.
Say what you will about Snoopy on Ice, Snoopy shows, they are awesome. These guys are so talented, do a lot of really crazy tricks, and it's always really entertaining. So I always like seeing these. They always change it up seasonally. They made it snow in the arena. They even made it snow, and they had trained birds that came out. They had trained birds that shot from the back of the arena, like 30 doves, and it just did a beeline for the stage. It was awesome. So yeah, definitely got to check it out if you get a chance.
Not even a little rainstorm in California will stop this Disney adventure. That's right, guys. It's raining over Disneyland. I heard it's very empty. Not very empty, but it's a lot less people. So I'm hoping, so let's go check it out. So let's find out.
Did I ruin it?
Whoa, awesome. It's so crowded here tonight. We got special privileges and special person places. Let me do the magic of editing and show you from a different view.
Usually you have to get a fast pass. You have to do something to kind of get into this area. Right now we're going to be able to, because it's raining. A little bit. California rain, which is like a sprinkle. Kind of like a certain someone from above, just do a little mild spit on you. Let's check it out. I know, I put on my last vlog. I know, I'm sorry.
Well, that'll put the spirit of Christmas in you.
Crazy. And here we go. Today marks the 50 years to this day Walt Disney died. Way ahead of his time, though the man smoked a whole lot of cigarettes. But now I get a chance to go in. Today they have a wall and get to pay your respects to Walt and leave a note, and I'm gonna put it on D21, so, or that site, I forget, I don't know, I'm not too familiar with it yet, so I may be wrong on that, but it is, yeah. Let's go in and pay tribute to Walt. He is the reason all of this is going on. He is my therapist to this day, because I can't afford a therapist, and this is as close as I can, and it really relaxes my stress and everything else, and it's so cool. Where's Pluto? Go say hi. Oh, look at Pluto. Awesome. I was gonna get a selfie with Pluto, but you know what? They're just sneaking around. It's so much cooler just to kind of watch this. Let them do their thing.
It's Gabby. That is who. There is no one behind me.
Alright guys, well, obviously with so many people that just want to give Walt thanks, I wasn't quite able to get there in time, and that's okay because I enjoy this place so much and everything that's going on here, so I know Walt can hear me still, so it's okay. What a cool idea, and look at all these signatures, look at all these cool notes. Let's see if we can see some.
I did see that. I was trying to figure out who that was.
I mean, it's okay, right?
Yeah, I was able to get one in before they closed it off.
Yeah, because, well, you know the saying, skip all
What else can I do? Thank you, Walt, for everything you've done. My stress relief, my therapist, my everything else. I love coming here. I love everything that's going on. As always, can you see it? Can you see it? That's what it's all about. Thanks, Walt.
Awesome. Little model we got set up. I am in the Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln room. And I have all this cool stuff I haven't seen in so long.
Well, there I go again. Not filming as I give out presents and stuff. Disneyland, oh, what is the name of it? Disneyland Annual pass. Oh no, hold on. I gotta try that again. Disney fans and annual passport holders on Facebook. I was actually in there trying to sign the thing, and he was over there. It was the guy that started it. I met him and his new wife. They just got married. It was so cool. And they just brought up out of nowhere. I was just sitting there doing my vlog, and they said, oh, look it, there's Justin's signature. And lo and behold, they're random land mobsters. How cool. Look at what I got. I give them a sticker, and I got something. Circle of goodness. It never ends. Awesome. So you guys check out that page. Really cool people. And if you guys are local and have passports and stuff, they got a lot of cool deals and all this other extra inside scoop stuff. So check them out. I'm going to. So that was awesome. Once again, here's a pic. So how often does this happen? Walk right up to Haunted Mansion and oh, walking right up the steps. How awesome. Very convenient.
Right this way, folks, all the way through.
I like this Christmas thing. See, Zero? I told you they would like my Christmas.
Here we go, last ride of the night. Time to have a zippity-doo-dah day. How do you do? Yeah, I don't know all the lyrics, but it's so awesome. I got my own log. Love this song. How do you do? Pretty good too. You're born. You guys actually listen to the lyrics. Look it up. It's pretty cool. Very old school. Show us your born. Pretty good. Show us your born. Hey now. Alright guys, let's just walk backwards into the plethora of awesome Christmasness, of awesome Christmas goodness. Alright, so that's it. I'm wrapping it up. I'm gonna leave this vlog off with a fun pic from Splash Mountain. I'm getting better at them, guys. I'm starting to get better. A lot of inspiration here and a lot of good ideas coming up. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching me babble into my phone. I appreciate it, guys, so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you later.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.